Power begins at the atomic level, where photons meet silicon, where electrons are set in motion. This is where ExoSolar Max TM is engineered to lead. At the heart of ExoSolar Max TM are N-type TOPCon Generation 2 solar cells, designed with ultra-pure monosilicon and advanced passivation layers to minimize recombination losses and maximize electron flow. Half-cut cell architecture reduces internal resistance. Multi-busbar grids shorten current paths. The result is lower electrical loss, higher conductivity, and greater energy harvest per square meter. Plasma anti-reflective coatings and micro-textured light-trapping surfaces capture more sunlight from every angle. High quantum efficiency enables superior performance in mornings, evenings, cloudy skies, and dusty conditions. ExoSolar Max TM operates in temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius. A low temperature coefficient of -0.29% per degree Celsius ensures stable output even in extreme heat. High temperature EVA and PoE encapsulation protect cells and prevent degradation. Double-tempered glass resists impact and abrasion. Aerospace-grade anodized aluminum frames resist corrosion. Anti-static surfaces reduce dust buildup. Built to withstand wind loads up to 5,400 pascals. Less than 1% first-year degradation, approximately 0.28% annual loss. Over 86% output after 30 years. ExoSolar Max TM is engineered for decades of dependable power. Seamlessly integrates with ExoBoost smart inverters. Pairs with SodioX sodium-ion batteries for heat-optimized storage. Pairs with LiThioX lithium batteries for high-power applications, creating a full-day, full-night energy ecosystem. ExoSolar Max TM. Engineered power, maximum strength, maximum savings.